Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cleaning vlog. Why? Let me tell you, I have tons to do and it's not going to be deep cleaning, so I'm telling you that right now. So if it is what it is, if you don't want to watch the video, just skip this one and I'll see you in the next one. And for the ones who stayed, girl, listen, I just got me a new book. It's called 1,000 Boy Kisses. And I said, Selma, if you really want to read it, girl, you got to do some stuff in the house. So that is discipline, my friend. Discipline, okay? So since I want to read it so bad, I am already washing the pillow covers and stuff. I'm going to kind of clean the house, tidy up the bathrooms, just pick up the house because the weekend is not going to be deep cleaning because I'm celebrating my anniversary. And since tomorrow I want to do my nails, because girl, I cannot have a date with my husband with my nails not being done. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if I'm going to do 2 videos or 1 video, I don't know, and I'm going to speed clean so I won't storage a lot of footage, you know what I'm saying? So you can get to see everything that I get done today. I wish I would have gotten some coffee, but no, la señorita quiere un libro, of course. Oh, I'm excited. I just got done reading 2 books. It was like 3 days and my heart is devastated. So they told me that my heart is gonna be crushed with this book. So let's see what happens. I want to read it so bad, like so bad. I just want to chill vibes, you know, my tea and read, but I have to do stuff. So let's start with, I don't even know what room. Let's just start cleaning, y'all, okay? I did not procrastinate this time.
No.
I end up cleaning the hallway, forgot to film, okay? And then I end up putting some frames, and then I forgot to film. It's like Spotify's playlist fault. Like, I was so in the mood, and then what threw me off, and I'm like, I'm supposed to film, was that my washer stopped working again. I don't know if I can continue. So let's just do the normal cleaning routine. I want to finish the kitchen. I started the kitchen. I'm like, I need to record. Selma, record. People want to know your business. Gotcha. No, for real. I'm going to clean the kitchen now. And then I definitely want to mop. Hey, no bite, girl. No messy. You're on my bed. My territory. Y tú cálmate. No estés brincando. Es la mexicana en mí. Ok, vamos a limpiar. Allá te miro. De veras, ahora sí, ya, por seguro. Yes, quítate. Okay, so I end up taking everything out from here and underneath here. And here I organized everything. All there is to do here is sweep and mop. Now, this is all the laundry that I have going on. This is all the laundry that I wanted to get done today, but decided not to work. But it's cool. It's not like I wanted to do it anyway. Let's go. I know I'm talking too much. Don't skip this though. So this solution right here is for my job. It's Mr. Clean, and it's a concentrated cleaning product for, you know, multi-purpose cleaner for floor. I'm not sure. Here's a picture. So I'm obsessed with it. I want a person to smell it because each bottle is 20 bucks and I want him to get it for me. It can last me a year, definitely.
take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing, bottles got me crashing. Don't you know? Don't you know that I'm just in it for the thrill of it? I just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. We're moving to it, drowning ideas.
Good morning, my gente bonita. Today obviously is the next day, and I finished what I wanted to get done yesterday, but I did leave out the restrooms. I was so tired, and yes, I ended up eating a little bit of my book. No comment just yet, okay? I need to go to work within the next 30-40 minutes, and the kids are still asleep. So my plans for today is to get my nails done at home. You know me, I need to decide what design I need or want, and yeah, right now I'm gonna drink my papaya. Hold on. Yo, sister spot. So we're definitely using a hat today because of this pimple. Yesterday was even worse. So this one is coming in, but I put some medicine yesterday and it's going down. I do not want to mess with it. I need pimple patches. I'm talking too much. So we couldn't fix the washer. I'm gonna have to call somebody, pay somebody to fix it. I really don't know what happened. It has a code, which that code was last time, and that means there's something stuck in the motor. So I'm gonna get kind of ready, not really. Today I get to see my Benny Ben, and that's like, he was my first I was obsessed with kid when I started working, because he's just the sweetest. I love him so much, and he was to school, so whenever he has no school, I get to see him. So I'm excited to see him. I will tell you, just get ready together, but girl, I don't have time like that. I'll get ready and then get the kids ready, because it's not just me, it's for my kids, and head to my mom's house, because girl, listen, I don't like this. It's alright. You just suck it in like this, we'll be good, right? It's not bad. It just, you know, not pregnant. Every video I'm gonna say, not pregnant. Sorry, I love you. About to get in the car so I can leave. I am already late as usual, but it's okay. Although it's going to be a long day since all classes are back. I'll explain to you that, like, girl, watch out for your neck. Okay, y'all, so it's currently 4:14, and I need to do my nails because guess what? I broke one, as always.
Again? You broke one yesterday.
Is this one?
Again?
Yeah, but since I'll be cleaning and I have not sealed them or anything when it comes to, before it gets worse. Anyways, it's gonna be anniversary nails. Do I know what I'm gonna do? No. I just know I need my nails done. I was just thinking, it's currently 5:04, right? So even though it's taking me longer than I expected, I'm gonna drink some coffee. I wanna make sure to finish this hand, you know, and probably just finish them later, because I need to clean the bathrooms. The bathrooms need my help, and they need to smell good for the next week coming up, okay? And since Saturday I'm gonna be out and about the entire day with hubby, and I wanna vlog it, I had to have that clean. But I also want to have my nails done. So guys, I already got him the gift, and I'm here in a little bit, I'm gonna show you what he got me, but I'm gonna show you what I got him, and it's gonna be like cute because today's the actual date of it, but we're celebrating Saturday. So, and I'm gonna actually plan to like what we're gonna do. It's, yeah, we gotta clean. We gotta clean. You guys, honestly, I am so tired. I do not want to clean the bathroom. I'm thinking of just stretching it until Sunday and just rest and read my book. Like if I'm really tired, I think I'll end up falling asleep if I end up reading on my bed. So maybe I should just go outside and do that. But so I had to get the other one. So I'm reading this one, 1,000 Boy Kisses, and that's just one day. I don't know if you could tell. And then I realized that there's the other one. I think it's a sequel, I think. So yeah, it should last me for a week or two, hopefully. I'll have to take my time, balance things. But I need to show you my present, which if you join the lives on Monday at 5 o'clock, like p.m. Central Time, you get to, you know, chit chat with me. I end up sharing on the live that I thought that my Canon lens did not arrive, and I'm looking at people's houses, mailboxes, because my daughter took it with my present as well. She didn't know which one was my present, so she took them both. And anyway, so this is like my new fave. It's called Gris Charnel. It smells divine with my scent. This one smells almost like a business woman, which is ombre soprano. Anywho, it smells so good, even the box. So this is my gift. And honey, when I looked at the price, I was like, whoa. Because whenever, you know, you get a perfume, you get samples. I told Preston, I'm like, babe, I like this scent, and this is the name. I sent him a screenshot. I didn't think anything of it, and this was like months ago, okay? And he ended up getting it for me. I was like, I feel special. This is the present that I got him. I got him a bottle of wine because it's a celebration, and he likes to sip on wine. Not even 4 ounces. He just likes it, and after work, it's just like his little treat with some sweets. I end up getting a Stanley for him. I don't know. He saw Zoe's when Zoe got her own, and he's like, I need one of those for coffee and for like my cold water. And I'm like, okay, I think it's a perfect size. It fits in his car, and he will love it. So this is his gift. It's not huge, but it's something, because we're gonna spend time together. We're gonna spend time together, and it's gonna be worth it. So I want to think of the list of what I want to do since morning to night, Saturday, and it's gonna be pretty fun. I feel like, hopefully, by the grace of God. So I'm gonna hide these gifts in the closet just in case I pass out, because I am so tired, y'all. I'm tired. Oh, by the way, I didn't get to see Benny Ben. He didn't go. Some kids went, but Benny Ben didn't. So fall break. I will see him on fall break. This is how I know I'm tired. When I when I drink coffee or matcha and I'm still like so sleepy, my body feels heavy. That's how I know it's just like, girl, body shutting down. Shutting down right now. You have approximately 2 hours and it's going down. So anyways, I'm gonna read just for a little bit. I'm gonna read just for a little bit, wait for Preston to get off, and then I'll turn on the camera. Then I might get some energy later, who knows. I can be like that. This turned out to be specifically a vlog for sure. All right, close your eyes.
Okay.
Right here, there. Close your eyes. This one.
First, this one. Ooh, I was craving some too, low key. Low key, I was craving some.
Okay, so this is the next one. Okay, all right.
Man, this is so, you know me to Stanley fan?
Yeah, sure did. Welcome to the Stanley fam, right?
But it's not like Zoe's. No, I like this one. This is
good.
No, this is actually Let me see.
At first, we got the wrong one, man. When I tell you it was the
Yeah,
wrong
yeah.
one,
It was like in.
the first one I got was for camping. A
This is-
44-ounce
This
one.
is actually perfect.
I know. Fits your car, like in your cup
Yeah.
holder.
I just gotta wash it.
The other one
Do
did not.
not put it in the microwave.
Okay.
Okay, it will explode.
This is awesome.
I
What do it
know.
look like?
What's up?
well,
I'm in the
when you
Stallion
get that,
gang.
I'm like, I don't know. Why go out for
It's,
an
it goes to 8 hours hot until like 12
Oh yeah, it
hours
says right
cold.
there in the bottom.
Really?
Since you like your water cold, all that stuff,
But the coffee.
the coffee, yeah. You had to prepare and everything. You dump it in there.
I'm Stanley official.
No, Stanley gang gang.
Oh gosh. You ruined
Remember he
the day.
said that all the time?
Stanley gang gang. Gang gang gang
So,
gang.
what time are you trying to eat tomorrow? I'm excited about it.
Well, we're gonna wake up, drink coffee, of course, breakfast.
Down.
Right? Okay,
Yeah.
like a teapot, you know, Thai type vibe.
No, tea party. You have to talk like you're from England.
No,
England
yeah,
from England.
forget about it. That's fine.
You still have your England voice, so
Ay, ay, ay.